Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 25th of August 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for the upcoming expiry on the 30th. Now, the max OI level has increased for CE and stayed the same for PE, so that's positive. The quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. The change is higher for CE, that's also positive. Short squeeze is higher for PE, CE, that's positive. PCR has gone lower, so it's actually more bearish, and that's negative. Implied and historical volatility are both higher, so that's negative. RSI is higher, that's positive. No divergence. In this case, now it's become neutral. ADX is lower, that's negative. ATR is lower, that's positive. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is much higher, that's positive. Pivot point is lower, so that's actually negative. I should just change that here. Is negative. And candlestick is neutral this week. The support is 5,600, the same as last week, and the resistance is now 5,650. And overall, the prediction from the option chain is that the S&P 500 goes up this week. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.